Hi friends, today's first business standard editorial is titled Transparency Needed, and it is talking about the recent resignation of the chairman of HDFC Bank and the associated share price decline. India's largest private sector bank HDFC has seen its share price going down because of the sudden resignation of its part-time chairman and independent director Mr. Atanu Chakraborty. He stated the reason as certain practices of the bank were against his personal values and ethics. We have to understand the background of HDFC. It was incorporated in August 1994 as a subsidiary of Housing Development Financial Corporation or HDFC. In 2022, it merged with the parent HDFC, turning into a full-fledged financial services conglomerate. It is the largest private sector bank in India, both by assets and by market capitalization. RBI has classified HDFC as a domestic systematically important bank, which means it is a too big to fail category. Others in this segment include only SBI and ICICI Bank. Despite its share price going down due to the recent resignation issue, it is still the second most valuable company in India. Its current managing director and CEO is Mr. Shashidhar Jagdishan, who joined the bank in 1996 and has been MD and CEO since October 2020. Its shareholding profile consists of foreign investors owning about a 48% stake, while the Indian institutional investors holding 37%. Remaining 15% is held by retail. Notably, it has 0% promoter holdings. Who is Mr. Atanu Chakraborty? Mr. Atanu is a 65-year-old former Economic Affairs Secretary of India. He is a retired 1985 batch IAS officer. Every board appointment has to be approved by RBI in case of banks, and Mr. Atanu Chakraborty was approved by RBI as a part-time chairman for a 3-year term starting May 2021. In May 2024, when that 3-year term got over, RBI and HDFC Bank's board reappointed him for another 3-year term till May 2027. That is, he had more than a year left as a part-time chairman before he resigned suddenly. Given such importance of the bank for millions of depositors as well as investors, this sudden resignation should not be treated as an ordinary event. It is important to know about the bank practices that were not in line with the ethical values of Mr. Atanu Chakraborty. Banking in itself is a risky and unstable business. Banks usually have long-term assets, that is loans, which has cash inflows over a longer period of time, but short-term liabilities, that is deposits that can be withdrawn by customers like me and you in the near term. This creates an asset liability mismatch in the bank that is managed very strictly. If this balance between the assets and liabilities is damaged, then the bank would collapse imminently. The ethical issues raised by Mr. Chakraborty may cause panic among the depositors. They could withdraw their deposits, and unlike old days where we have to go to a bank to withdraw our deposit, now we can do it instantly 24/7 over our phones. This could affect the balance between the assets and liabilities of the bank. Therefore, it becomes essential to understand what was that ethical issue so that the public trust can be reassured. Several questions are remaining and the explanation provided are inadequate. What are the questions? Did Mr. Chakraborty raise the ethical issue with the bank board? If yes, how and what was the board response? Did he approach RBI at any point? As discussed earlier, this was his second term at the bank's board. Why the sudden resignation now? RBI was quick to approve the appointment of Mr. K.K. Mistry to the seat left vacant by Mr. Chakraborty. Was RBI also aware of the developments at the bank? What should the bank do now? The bank on its part has to open itself to more enquiries, and it must answer all the questions raised by the public without any lag. There is also a problem at HDFC Dubai branch. The Dubai Financial Services Authority, that is the RBI of Dubai, had barred HDFC Bank's Dubai branch from onboarding new clients from September 2025 due to the failures in sales processes linked to the selling of high-risk 81 bonds to the clients, which is a perpetual bond. Following an internal probe, HDFC Bank recently terminated 3 senior officials connected to the lapses in client onboarding and alleged mis-selling at the Dubai unit. People are connecting the ethical issues raised by Mr. Chakraborty with this Dubai incident. RBI must immediately initiate investigation and inform the public about the findings and take necessary actions, if any. In summary, this event has caused panic among the public, and it is a duty of the RBI, since it approves the board appointments, to restore faith in the system. Additionally, RBI must ensure that such abrupt exits doesn't happen again, since they can have wide-ranging consequences. Thank you.